Hey there everyone, I'm Rejuan Hussain and I'm excited to walk you through the simplest steps of creating tables with primary and foreign keys and smoothly adding data to them. So we have a sample database. It's a very small database. We have only two tables. One table is customer and the second table is game order. And these two tables has also relationship between them. The customer is the primary key inside the customer table, where the customer ID is foreign key inside the game order table. So first go to the folder where is our database is, copy the location or address, then cmd cd, then sqlite 3 name. Perfect. So we're gonna create the table first. So the command is create table. Create table customer, then we can edit the attributes. First is customer ID, data type is integer, not null. The primary key can't be empty, so it's not null, and we have to say this is the primary key. The next attribute is last name. Data type is inverter. Then first name. Inverter not null. Last is gender, which can have a null value. Don't forget to put the semicolon. So it's create table customer ID is the primary key, last name inverter not null, first name inverter, state, gender. Now it's time to edit values to the table, inside the table. So the command is insert into customer values, single quote, now for the second row, insert into customer values 102 Hussein Rizwan. Don't forget to put the semicolon. Now for the last one, same command. We can see our table. Select all from customer. We can see the input. Now we can create the game order table the same way. It's gonna be create table game order. Now those attributes, so order id integer, value is not null, and that's the primary key. Customer id integer not null. So for the foreign key, this is constraint. Foreign key the table name game order, then the first table name customer, we also reference it, references customer ID, because customer ID is the primary key for the customer table. We also say on delete cascade. The next one is order date. Data type is date, not null. Enter. So we just created the table, the game order. Now it's time to insert values. So it's insert into game order values. For second row, can see the table select all from game order. We can see the values. We also can see if you say Prazma PRAZMA table info, then we can put the table name, which is game order. We can see the table too. We also say dot table to see how many tables we have. We have created two tables, and one is the customer and another is the game order. So that's it for today. Thank you everyone.